Hi guys, this video is how to add tile to your walls. So a lot of houses always have tile accents. So if you come to finish, tile combination, you can see like the different bricks. If you choose one, and let's say I want to do the herringbone, okay? I'm going to choose it, and I'm going to choose the room, and it kind of put it in there. Now, obviously, I'm not too keen on those colors, so what you can actually do is choose it, and if you come over here you can see the different colors. So if I choose one, I can change the color that it is. So if I choose blue, it turns it blue. I could do a whole bunch of shades of gray. So if I change that one to that gray, I'll change this one to a different shade of gray. You can see it kind of changing form there. I'm going to choose this one to this shade of gray. And then I've got this last one here. Choose it to a dark gray. So you can see it kind of changed it all, the pattern. And if I want to apply it to all the walls, I'm going to click Apply All Settings to All Walls. Then I gave my bathroom this like herring bone pattern on the walls. So those are tiled walls then. The same, if I wanted to add an accent wall to my container home here, I would choose the wall. I could choose the pattern that I want, and again there's different combinations here. It could just be double brick. Okay, so if I want this to be my accent wall, I'll take it, move it there. Okay. You should be able to get rid of it. You can also change the grout color too. So I just want to apply it to the one wall. So I can actually click on these walls and hit clear, and then it takes it off. You will have to repaint it though. Okay, so I'm just going to clear these so I have an accent wall there. And then on my accent wall now, I'm going to change the colors again to do something crazy. If you go down further, you get different patterns and that sort of stuff, okay? So there's my new accent wall. Okay, white and silver. You can't see it very closely. Or you could do a dark. So there's my new accent wall on there. So it adds a little more detail to your project if you do the accent walls.